Ni hao, welcome to my channel. From this episode, I'll begin a brand new series of acupressure tutorial. Let's explore together how to use Chinese traditional medicine acupressure points to relieve your body pain, better your body function, and finally, slow down aging. In this very first episode, I'll lead you through a 5-minute acupressure to relieve or even to prevent your headache. You can do it anytime you want, even if you are not having headache. And it doesn't include any equipment, so just make sure you have a screen in front of you so you can follow along with me. Let's get started. The first point is Baihui, which means 100 Hz. First, let's find the apex of your both ears. Draw a line to connect them. Baihui is right in the middle of this line. Obviously, it's the highest point on your head. Due to the yin-yang theories, Baihui is the most yang spot, or we say the warmest and the most positive spot. Now let's massage this point with 2 fingers for 1 minute. If you find it hard to use fingers, you can also use your knuckles to massage this point. The second point is Taiyang, which means literally sunshine. It's between the end of the eyebrow and the hairline. When pressure you feel is lower than round, then you've got the correct place. When you press Taiyang point, if you feel pain, it's a signal of your brain fatigue and you really need a good rest. Now we use 2 fingers to massage the 2 Taiyang points at the same time for 1 minute. Let's move on to the third point, Hegu, which means Union Valley. It's located on your both hands. When you close your thumb and index finger, you'll find here a crease. At the end of the crease is Hegu point. Now we'll open the thumb and we use 2 fingers to press the Hegu point towards the index finger side for 2 seconds and loose. 2 seconds and loose. Repeat for 1 minute. As its name, the Union Valley unites many muscles and blood circulations. That's why it's a special point to relieve any pain on your body. Now let's do the other hand. The last point is Taichong, which means a quiet harmony. It's a correspond Hegu point, but on your feet. So it's between the big toe and second toe on this line. And put 2 fingers, index and middle fingers, above the toes. And here you have Taichong point. Taichong is at the beginning of the liver meridian. We all know that liver plays a crucial role in detoxification. So regular massage on this point may help you to lessen the load on your liver. Now we'll use the thumb to press Taichong point for 1 minute. Now let's do the other foot. If you're more relaxed until the rest of the day, and how do you feel? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more tutorial from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I'll see you very soon. Bye!